Kopogre manya korom gajwang jotelo mawuok e duond bura mar ODM koro wacho ni ODM biro riwore yiero maduong' mar higa mar 2027 kokadhe duol achiel koloso e nyasi mar iko e gwenge mag Alego Usonga. Jatend duond bura mar ODM Dr. Oburu Oginga wacho ni weche mitwake e mudho koro samari rumo. Wacho ni twak moro amora e kind thuolo mabiro manyalo bedo e kind ODM kod piny owacho ibiket e lela. Oburu kwayo johera mag ODM mondo sir duond burano mar tege motelo ne twak mar riwruok moro amora.
All that we are talking about cannot be
is that we are soon establishing a negotiating team. This negotiating team will now start negotiating with others because it is very difficult for a party to go single without seeking support of the others. Therefore, we must negotiate with others. This team will negotiate, and these negotiations will start with our current partners in the broad-based arrangement. But those who are saying that Oburu is not validly elected, I challenge them. If they say it is NDC, let us go with them to NDC. I will call it very soon.
You cannot, as a leader, continue to prevaricate on any single issue. You cannot afford to sit on the fence perpetually as a leader. The matter of ODM party leadership was settled at the National Governing Council, acting on behalf of the National Delegates Conference. So anybody imagining that there's some vacuum in ODM leadership is daydreaming.
There are a few leaders who are not interested in this broad-based coalition. We are not going to send you, we are not going to ask you to resign. But when the party organs make decisions such as ratifying engagement with President William